Here we are at Caesar's Palace. We are in the Augustus Tower on the 40th floor. Here's the bathroom. Nice big shower. A really big tub. Two sinks, a nice vanity. I kind of like that there's room on the floor to put your extra bags and stuff. There's a lot of room in here. And then my favorite part is the toilet is in its own room. That's how every hotel bathroom should be. Very nice bathroom. And here is a very tall, large mirror. Here's the closet, which has ironing board, iron, luggage rack, and your safe. Again, for all your winnings. And there's a nice desk, chair, TV. This is the mini bar. And over here, behind here are drawers where you can put some of your stuff away if you would like. And then this room has two queen beds. This room is huge. And over here we have a chair and a sofa and an ottoman. And over here is a table and two chairs. There's a lot of room in this room. And let's see our view, because this room has a view. We have the Bellagio fountain view. Very neat. The street is below right there, which is a little loud at the moment. But just look what you can see. So cool up here. I'll have to get a shot when the fountains go off. And a night shot. Oh look, over there we can see the mountains. We got everything in this room. Such a cool view. Wow. This is going to be really neat at night. So overall, I would say this is a really nice room. It's very large. It's great location in the casino. Caesars is a huge property, so it's easy to get lost down there. I've stayed here once before and stayed in the Palace Tower, and that room was really nice. It was right by the pool.